friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. In the previous lecture, we discussed about set and its related operations. Today we will see dictionary and its methods. So let's get started. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. It is written with curly braces. Let's see an example. We have created a dictionary D1 with 3 key and value pairs using curly braces and printed the value of D1. We can also create dictionary using dict constructor. Same dictionary D2 we have created. Dictionary items are ordered. That is, the order in which items are placed in dictionary, same order it gets printed. Dictionary is changeable. That is, we can change, add or remove items after the dictionary has been created. Dictionary cannot have two items with the same key. Duplicate values will be overwritten with the existing values. For example, here in dictionary D1, city will get the last value assigned, which is Sydney. Next, we will find the number of items present in the dictionary using len function. D1 contains 3 elements. We will see how to access dictionary items. You can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside the square brackets. For example, we are accessing city of D1. We can also access items using get method. For example, to access age of D1. Keys method will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary. For example, here we are getting all the keys of D1 using keys method in X and printing its value. The values method will return a list of all the values in the dictionary. For example, we are getting all the values of D1 using values method in X and printing its value. To change the value of a specific item, use its key name. For example, we are changing the age of John to 35. Update method will update the dictionary with the items from the given argument. For example, we are updating city of John to Sydney. Sydney is the argument we are passing to update method. Next, we will see how to add items to the dictionary. Here we are adding profession of John as engineer. With update method also we can add items to the dictionary if the items are not present. Next, we will see how to remove items from the dictionary. Pop method removes the item with the specified key. For example, we are removing age from D1. Pop item method removes the last inserted item. For example, it removes the city of John, which is lastly inserted. The del keyword removes the item with the specified key name. For example, we are deleting city of John. The del keyword can also delete the dictionary completely. That is why we are getting the error as D1 is not defined. Clear method empties the dictionary. Here we are getting empty dictionary since clear method empties the dictionary. Next, we will see how to iterate a dictionary. We can iterate a dictionary using for loop. This way we can iterate all the keys in the dictionary. We can also use keys method to return the keys of the dictionary inside for loop. This way we can iterate values of the dictionary. We are accessing the values through index. We can also use values method to iterate values of the dictionary. To loop both keys and values, we can use items method. Next, we will see how to copy a dictionary. We can make use of copy method to create a copy of the dictionary. For example, we are copying dictionary D1 into D2 and printing D2 values. If you understood dictionary and its related operations. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.